This is NDTV, and you're watching Classics.
They say the most effective way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Well, that applies to most of us. Today's Boss's Day Out is with the McDonald's chief in India, Amit Jatia, who's given us access to burgers, fries, milkshakes, and of course, Happy Meals. And he's creating an empire right here in India. It's 8 in the morning and Amit and his wife Smita are furiously working out. Amit's on the cross trainer, Smita's on the treadmill. Amit, are you working off a McDonald's meal?
To stay fit.
Is this something you do every morning?
Well, at least thrice a week in the mornings, and then I do my yoga thrice a week in the evenings. She likes to work out longer, starts earlier, and then I just kind of somehow manage to get in and do my 45 minutes.
Amit's just finished his 45-minute workout. He's going to go freshen up, get ready, and join his wife and me for breakfast.
Hi Devna, how are you?
How are you feeling?
Oh, very good. Feeling energized.
Invigorated? Good. That looks... Breakfast is very healthy though.
Yes,
Milk,
yes.
cornflakes, fruit.
Generally, we believe in a healthy lifestyle.
Not very Marwari, is it?
Well, after Smita's come in, she's made sure that we are also healthy and we take care of our health more than we ever did before.
Well, that's kind of ironic though. You know, fruit and cornflakes and McDonald's franchise. How does that work? I
Well,
mean,
you start the day healthy and then, of course, continue on through the day. But the whole idea is, you know, at McDonald's, we believe in a healthy lifestyle.
but you're vegetarian?
Yes, I am. Yeah, very much.
So you've never actually tried any of the non-vegetarian products that you offer?
No, I have not. But, you know, in fact, you'll be surprised that 50% of our customers are vegetarian and I represent them.
So this is a very, you know, you're very young. You're 39 now. At
Yeah.
28 is
Right.
when you started McDonald's in India. What age did you get married? Fairly young.
Oh, yeah. I was, I think, 22.
You were 22.
Yeah, that's right.
And Smita was
19.
19. So, I mean, clearly an arranged marriage. And
Yeah, right.
The Marwari traditions.
Right, absolutely.
So is this a traditionally run home or is it very conservative?
I would say we are fairly modern. At the same time, we've kept our roots. So I think it's a very good sense, a very good mixture, I would say.
It's very rare that, you know, women in the Marwari community actually work. So how active are you in the business and how come you decided that you should work in the company?
I think it was more by chance than design. When McDonald's was opening, I had just my kids were 5 years old and they had got into cathedral, so I had a lot of free time on hand. And he asked me to help out in the launch plans and the parties and so on and so forth. And I kind of did so, and then there was this person from International who kind of was helping us set up the business out here. He was an expat, and he told me that, you know, why don't you start helping out in marketing? And that's how I think my career was born.
And in fact, she was recently promoted as the Chief Operating Officer. And clearly the fact that it's a joint venture and McDonald's has supported it clearly indicates that, you know, it's kind of working.
Okay, we're done with breakfast and now we're going to walk to office, which is right next door. This is of course Amit's own personal cabin on the top most floor. And you're going to check your email?
Oh yeah. Normally, what I do is I just kind of get a sense of the emails, plan my day out, take about half an hour to think through what needs to be done. and then I dive straight into my meetings, and the day just keeps going on.
It's hard to imagine that all those chocolate milkshakes actually take strategy. But of course, every successful company has to have a successful strategy. This, as you can see, is the corporate office of McDonald's. Amit employs about 2,500 people under him for the Western Zone, which is his franchise. And we're now going to go to a class where people are trained to be floor managers in McDonald's outlets. Hello.
Yes, hi.
So Amit's finished checking his emails and we're going to go up to that class.
Absolutely. Hi, good morning. So did you know what's a recent big event that happened at McDonald's? We actually won for the third year consecutively. We got the Best Food Service Company Award from Business World. That's fantastic, right? I think we must give us a... So I guess the point I want to make is that if we continue to deliver QSC and we to our customers, yeah, I think we will see ourselves every year, not only for the third year, but probably for the 10th year. When the customer comes in, eye contact, making sure that they get the best experience they do at McDonald's, right, as always.
Amit's finished having his discussion with all the students in the class. He's given them a little bit of inspiration. And now we're headed out and the instructor will continue to carry on the class. Okay, Amit, what's next?
Well, next we are going to a presentation. It's called the MD's presentation, where they typically share with us the designs for a new restaurant. So the real estate people share with us who are the people who will be visiting the restaurant, and the design team will show us what it's going to look like.
Okay.
And we'll all critique it.
All right.
The business from this particular development.
And where is our first store? That's it, because these guys will not visit this store.
In my opinion, very close by. It should be a part of.
Just 1 second, is there an entrance from this side?
So it's taken about 2 hours for Amit to debate and approve a 2 crore budget and an absolutely brand new store in Hyderabad, the second one that's coming up. And now all that's left is for him to sign off officially on it.
Okay.